Day 7 of the workathon in the building. Let's get it, man. We only got 2 out here. Supposed to have about 10, but fuck it. First, we're gonna start off simple. We're gonna start off light. Gonna warm up with the ladder real quick. First off, we got 1 foot in, 1 foot in. We're gonna do it twice. Lead with each leg, so it's just bring it around town. Nice little warm up. 1 foot in, 1 foot in, 1 foot in, 1 foot in. Y'all doing 2, 1 foot in. Get that rep back. Come on, get that rep back. Now we got 2 feet in, 2 feet in. Ah! See the feet? Feet is crazy. The feet is crazy. Damn. I almost messed it up. Don't be so heavy on the feet. Don't be so heavy on the feet. Let's start facing the boys club. 2 feet in each, 2 feet in each. I like how we agreed on 6 o'clock and it's 6:51. This is why I said 5, because if we would have said 5, y'all would have been here at 6. Yeah, we said 6, and now y'all are getting here at 7. Seriously. Do one more on this side. Oh yeah, perfect. There we go. There we go. So now we got Icky Shuffle, so. This is my shit though. Like yesterday in the weight room, I was going stupid on this one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You know who I am, bro? Pump your arms, pump your arms. Ah! 1, 2, 3, yep, and then go back. So it's, yep. You switched it up halfway through the shit. Move them damn feet, Nate. Evan, you gotta start from the top. I don't know what you think this is. You just got here, buddy. Stay just like that. There we go. Damn! Damn! Pick them feet up. Yeah, that's why we gotta get on this. Oh, y'all got some heavy feet. Keep it consistent, just keep it consistent. 1, 2, 1, 2. There we go. Yep. There we go. Damn, you keep switching it up. I'm glad I brought the ladder out. Y'all don't got feet for real. Right foot lead, left foot lead, 1 foot in each. No, straight. Right foot lead, left foot lead. You stepped on every rung of the ladder. You stepped on every rung of the ladder. There we go. There we go, Nate. There we go. Now, we got 2 in, 2 out. So, 2 in, 2 out. Going forward, right foot lead first. Come on. Don't lean too far forward. Don't lean too far forward. Your left leg was out of the ladder for the second half. There we go. Pick your damn feet up, Evan. Pump your arms, Nate. Move your arms. Damn. I stepped on the rung, fucked my whole brain up. Damn, right foot was tweaking. Right foot was tweaking. There we go. There we go. You wanna come here? Damn, bitch. Ew. That was so ass. There we go. 2 feet in now, Jay Sean. There we go. Nah. Oh, I definitely forgot the in and out hops. In and out hops, hopping, in. This damn near a split release. When you really think about it.
Twice?
Yeah. This damn near a split release. Yeah. We starting in a stance, right foot up, balls inside, now we pushing off. Break out. Yeah. Glide, Taj. There we go. Push off. There we go. Watch out, bro. Hold up. Ah, my back. All right. Real quick. Get wide. Get to the cones, Jay Sean. Cool it down a little bit. There we go, Rel. There we go. There we go. I gotta go again.
It's like I'm not even getting my head around.
Yeah.
I feel like on that last one I'm coming out of frame.
He's throwing them bitches.
Yeah, he's slinging them.
He's throwing them bitches. Like the ball came, like as soon as I turned, that shit was moving fast. But then when it came to, there we go. That was a good rep, Eli. That was your best rep yet, Eli. Take your time. You're moving too quick. Come back, come back, come back, come back, come back. Chill out. Chill out, chill out. Look, we right here. Push off both feet. Here. Come on, get up. Come on, get up. Come on, get up. Push off both feet. Creep to that cone. Plant. Creep to that cone. Jab. That's better. Nah, he's throwing that motherfucker. You.
Yeah, he's swinging that bitch.
Let's go, Tajir. Let's go, Tajir. There we go. There we go. Dress swinging just like I'm a Rasta. Joe, ugly ass. Ooh, 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 ooh. Raised up. There we go. Let's go, Taj. There we go. There we go. Hey, get out. Get there. Take some heat off. There we go. Get wide. Get to the cone. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ah. Cole still got it, man. Cole still got it. My bad. My bad. Cole still got it, man. Cole still got it.
Man, you're like 8 months removed, bro. Chill. He said Taylor like he gonna be a great dad.
Already facing towards it, facing towards it. Ah! That shit around. So we right here. Plant. There we go. Now we learning. Catch it. So the money. On you. On him, on him. Tay, let's go. Let's go. Don't try not to drag. Try not to drag. Pick that foot up. Don't drag. Don't drag. Pick that foot up, Taj. Don't drag. There we go. There we go. Clean. Get there. Easy work. Try to stay under me, Nate. Stay under me. Break it flat. There we go. There we go, Nate. Keep under me. Stay under me. Stay under me. There we go. There we go. Good shoulder. Stay under me. Damn! Damn! I know his chest hurt. I know his chest hurt. There we go. Clean. Get there. Hey! Where's my phone at? Ooh. 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 Light work, no reaction. Fuck is you talking about? Ah! Let's see it, bro. There we go. Damn.
That's hella aura for him.
I only did that because I almost tripped.
That's a drag. That's a drag.
I almost bust my ass. I almost bust my ass. There we go. Beautiful. Good catch. Oh, yeah. Good rep.
Get money.
Back up.
I've never had a QE before.
There we go. There we go.
It's right foot up, right?
That shit crazy, right, Tosh? Good rep. Last one. There we go, Nate. Push out. Ah, good catch. We just gonna push real quick. One step.
That's why,
Plant.
like, you try to say
Instantly
something
sit down, get out. Right here with it. Plant. Sit down. Come out. You just gotta tell your brain, move fast. Move fast. Yup. That's all it is right there. There we go.
See our favorite receiver. Ooh, Leem.
Come on, bro. Let me see it. Move.
Money.
You hopped into it a little bit. You not moving quick.
Gotta make sure the camera. Ew. You just sold your own clip.
Oh
You
my
sold your own
God.
clip. Now you gotta get it back.
Hell yeah.
Nah, he is moving. Nah, he is.
Oh, my bad.
Bounce.
There we go. You stop. Nah. Bring it back. You false stepped and rolled into it.
I did.
Yeah, so you was like this.
All right. I won't
Plant that foot in the ground. Then do it. Plant that foot. There we go. There we go. Hell nah. Notice how I stopped on that one
went
foot
too
though?
fast.
You see the weight transfer? Oh yeah. There we go. I don't know about that one.
Trolling my fucker.
I don't know about that one. Nah, let me get that back. I don't know about that one. There we go. Quicker. We taking a step in between. Eliminate that step. You hopped into it. Get it back. Really flip off that cut. There we go. That looks sweet. There we go, Nate. Come on. Keep that foot in the ground. Put that whole foot in the ground. That's better. Push out. There we go. Try to get out though. You got stuck a little bit.
I did. Fuck.
I wasn't ready. That's why. I'm not ready.
Get ready.
I'm brain farting. There we go. Good rep. Good rep. There we go, Ev. That's why we not going a set amount of reps. We going until we feel good with it.
It's down again.
Third time's the charm. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's better.
You dropped it.
He made him fumble. Now we really running out of it. Run out this first cut. Get out. So boom, look.
Bro, stop trolling, bro. Get in line.
1, 2. Get out. You're not running. There we go, Nate. Get out of it though. Good job selling it. So we right here with it. Bitch. There we go. Leave him. Get that second foot in the ground, Evan. Point. Leave him.
That's a rep. I like that. He felt it, didn't he?
He tried to clip farm. Sorry about that cut.
Because you playing with that shit you was supposed to do.
Point. Leave him. There we go, Ev. Leave him. Oh, yeah. Oh, all right. Leave him. There we go.
Ew, that's a rep.
Oh, my God. Come on, Eli. Focus. Hold on. Plant that foot. Get a walking rep. Plant that foot. Chuck. 1, 2. Nah, but look.
Yo.
That's your problem, though.
Oh,
You didn't turn your shoulders. So do it again. Walk through it again. Plant. 1, 2. Turn them shoulders. Throw them shoulders over. Throw them shoulders over.
I really gotta do it the other way.
You turn your shoulders, your feet gonna follow you. Let's get it.
There, sir.
He sold the fucking bag.
Hey, you gotta keep going, bro.
Hey, chat, quit that, chat.
Just keep going.
He sold the fucking bag. Come on, Eli. Leave him. Ah, you got stuck a little bit.
Go.
Leave him. There we go. Come on. Cut. Leave him. You didn't run. You didn't run. You wasn't running. Make it believable. Don't make it quick. Make it believable. That's better. That's better.
You got us.
Come on.
I ain't even
There we go.
game,
Get out.
you're on phone now.
Oh.
Yo.
There we go, Eli. Too quick. Too early, Eli. Run. Get the running. There we go. Get out. Good job, Evan.
Like that.
Good job, Evan. There we go. Good job, Nate. Good job.
Roller coaster in a minute.
Ooh. Ah, way too out my frame. Way too out my frame. I got out it, though. Run. There we go. Ah, get out that. Get out that break. Run. Leave him. Get out, Eli. Good job. Good catch. Good catch. Run. Leave him. Oh, my God. Get out. Play. Leave him. What the fuck is he talking about? Yo.
What the fuck he just said?
What is he talking about? Plant. Leave him. Oh my God. Oh my God. Plant. Leave him. Oh my God. Plant. Leave him. Oh my God again. Watch out. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Sit. Ah, you chopped into it. Get it back. You chopped into it. Get it back. Come on. Run him. Sit it. Oh my. Oh my. Run him. Sit it. Oh my. There we go, Nate. There we go. Don't. One time it. He ugly as shit. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh my God, I just fucked my back. Oh.
Give me a flip.
Hey.
Oh, yo.